Happy New Year everyone, it's Sean here and I'm kicking off 2018 with an early look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the LA All-Star colorway. These are set to drop next week, January 10th, for a US retail price of $160 and a Canadian retail price of $215. So the official colorway for this shoe is black, metallic gold, and summit white. So before we go on with the review, I just want to point out that whether or not this is an official All-Star Game shoe is up for debate. So leading up to the release, all the sneaker blogs and sneaker sites that I've been checking out, they've all referred to this shoe as the LA All-Star shoes. I'm not exactly sure whether this is just an Air Jordan 1 that's giving a nod to Los Angeles, or if it's an actual shoe that was made specifically for the NBA All-Star Game taking place next month. Regardless of whether it is or it isn't, this is still a clean looking shoe, and let me give you guys a detailed breakdown of what makes this shoe so special. So the upper of the shoe is comprised using a very tumbled black leather. On the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as the medial side, we have this Nike swoosh done in this smooth black leather, but it's backed with a metallic gold finish. Around the ankle area on the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo done in this metallic gold finish. The tongue on these shoes is done in nylon and black. We have this Nike Air branding on the top done in metallic gold, and the laces are done in an oval shape in black, and the lace tips are wrapped with a gold finish. These Jordans do come with a secondary pair of laces done in a flat style in white. The inner liner of the shoe is done in black, and they come with some pretty unique looking insoles. So they're done in a combination of black and gray, and they feature a map of Los Angeles on top. Around the top of this ankle collar area, this is done in a smooth black synthetic leather. Like most Air Jordan 1s, these sit atop this foam midsole that's done in white, and they have this encapsulated air bubble underneath the heel. And then taking a look at the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 1 outsole, but as you can tell, this is done in this translucent icy blue finish. In terms of sizing, these fit the same to me as all my other Air Jordan 1s, so I'd recommend sticking with your true size, which in my case is a 10.5. For comparison's sake, 10.5 is the same size that I would wear for other Nike silhouettes such as the Roshe 1, the Air Max 1, the Air Max 90, and the Flyknit Racer. In terms of the quality on these shoes, this is something I want to point out to you guys specifically. So when I saw pictures of these online and when I saw this shoe from afar, I honestly thought that the quality would be amazing, but in hand, the leather on these is not the best. A lot of people commonly associate tumbled leather with high quality leather, but in this case, while the leather is very tumbled, it's not as soft and it's not as high quality as I thought it would be. While I love the color blocking on this shoe, the leather on these was a little bit of a disappointment. With all that said though, now let me lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, as I mentioned earlier, I do love the color blocking on this shoe. The price point is pretty reasonable, and as long as you're not expecting super high quality leather, as sad as that is to say, then you will not be disappointed with these. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys plan to cop these LA Air Jordan 1s. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and give me a follow on my Instagram as well at SGO8. Before I sign off, just want to give a huge thank you to the folks over at The Closet Inc. for hooking me up with this shoe early. If you guys are planning on copying this shoe next week and you are located in Canada, be sure to check them out. I'll add their website, their social media in the description box down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.